11 years of the Independence Day Daawat, and it never gets old. When we were in school, going for Independence Day meant a day we could celebrate with fun activities, show a little bit of patriotism, and be really proud of our country. As we've grown up, this day has turned out to be just a holiday for us or a dry day. Back in 2015, we asked ourselves, what can we do for this community and celebrate Independence Day? And that's when we went to our partners, Please See, and their founder, Avinash, came up with a brilliant idea. Why can't we, for just one day, make Bombay Canteen into a langar? We go out and invite the entire neighborhood and the community around us to come have an amazing meal and pay as they like.
We never realized how big this will become in the last 10 years, and what's been amazing to see is just the community coming to us and becoming part of this day over the last decade. What started off with just 180 people who we served on the first Daawat and raising 1.8 lakh rupees towards the cause of education, today has become, over 10 years, a true movement. A movement where we've served over 5,000 people, raised over 1.4 crore rupees towards causes that we really cherish as a team.
The last year, we were able to work with the RPG Foundation to create these two amazing green spaces, one in Mahalakshmi and one in Malabar Hill, which we'll be able to take you to very soon. The idea is this year onwards, we collaborate with them and continue in our vision to make Bombay green again.
You eat and we make Bombay green again.